Hang on. Okay, start
Act 1. I finally got my paycheck. What are you doing, Xander? Nothing, Dad.
I don't know why I think that's so funny. I think it might have been funnier the first
time. Do you want to do take two? Here, just do
take for it.
Just do like that. Did you got my money?
Hey, Xander, wake up. Wake the baby. Wake the baby.
I don't want to wake him.
Come on, for the camera.
If I try to take his money...
Wake him, he'll jerk. He'll go.
If I try to take his money, he'll jerk.
Okay, do it. Wake the baby.
I don't want to wake him.
Wake him.
Xander. Hey, Xander. Xander. Hey. Xander. He doesn't want to wake up, dude. He doesn't want to play your games.
Oh.
Hard night at hookers and gambling.
If it was a hard night of hookers and gambling, he wouldn't have any left.
You know how when people win the lottery, they like to take pictures of themselves swimming in hundreds?
Is this child abuse?
I don't know. I don't think so.
We should get a picture of him and call it the money dress. Alright.